Hi everyone, I'm at the Shoes of the Hollywood today. Today, I'm very excited to show you Please's SKY-301 with clear bottom and slip-on top with clear top. Hi everyone, I'm at the Shoes of Hollywood today. I'm Mina from Japan, Tokyo. And today, I would like to show you Please's SKY-301 without strap with clear bottom. And you always notice the box. You know the box. What's inside? You know what's inside. I feel like butterfly, as you can see. I'm so excited. It's always properly wrapped, you know. And you always get the travel bag. Very eco-friendly, no plastic. And it's big enough to shoes those big heels, and you get the cushions inside so that it doesn't hurt the shoes or they hurt other thing in your bag. And so excited. And like even before you like unwrap it, you can see how big it is. Like it's as big as my face and my hand. And you see that? Wow. It's like a crystal clear. And you notice the clear up and the luxury Please's gold embroidery and very, very comfortable, fluffy, soft bottom with memory foaming. And same as the other one. So let's give it a try. I'm not sure about like you know without this strap. So let's see how it feels. I'm a little bit scared. Wish me luck for my legs and ankle. Oh. Well, if I tripped over, I hope. Oh, it's okay. I will not trip over. But if I tripped over, maybe you guys can laugh. Okay. I'm actually 5'2", 158 centimeter. But you will not believe when I stand up with these shoes that I'm that short. Look. I can be in any runway with these shoes. Actually, it feels alright. Without the strap. It feels very comfortable, even without the strap, because the sole is very how do you say it? Very fixed. Very, it just supports you very nicely. I can even turn in this. So I think because it's clear bottom, I think it looks really nice in the sun. So we'll show you how it looks in the sun shortly. But don't you think it looks nicer without the strap? I think it looks a little bit more sleek. I think makes my legs a little bit longer. I think. Well, let me know how you think in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. And before I go to outside, I know what's waiting. The very strong sun. So I'm wearing my big sunnies and my Japanese fan because it keeps me cool. It's October in Queensland. It's not even summer yet, but it's really, really hot. Oh, but I feel great, even though I'm a little bit sweaty because I'm wearing Please's with clear bottom without strap. So I can't even turn this. Like it doesn't really change how it feels. Like if you have been wearing heels for like you know for a while, you'll be okay without strap. It gives you a little bit more movement, I think. But you can just stand on your toe. So I think, yeah, I like it actually. I wasn't expecting this. It's very hot. It's a very Japanese thing to do. The Japanese traditional dancing. Oh, it's so hot. I'm gonna go back into the air conditioner. Okay. That was very hot. Me? The temperature hot. Okay, so that's it from me today. And it's, of course, it's easy to take off. So if you have to, get changed really quick, didn't have time to do the strap, this will be your option. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know how I did. Bye! See you next time!